In the early hours of Sunday morning, October 26th, the community of Mamelodi East was shaken by an act of senseless violence that claimed 2 young lives. 22-year-old Tshiamo Moramaga and her 21-year-old cousin Baleseng were found dead on Sompisi Street in Extension 17. Both women had been shot in the head. The cousins had grown up together, inseparable since childhood. They attended crèche together, went to school together, and remained close as they pursued their dreams. Tshiamo was studying beauty therapy, specializing in nails and hair, while Baleseng was working towards becoming a teacher. On Saturday evening, just hours before their deaths, the young women had spent time with their aunt Maggie. They talked about family, including Maggie's son Douglas, who had died in a car accident 2 years earlier. The conversation ended around 7:30, and that would be the last time anyone would see them alive.
7:30. Ngibe nabo thoma ngo-5 esikhuluma ngomntwana amashonayo uDouglas bangitshela the way uDathi bekajayiva ngakhona ayazi ukujayiva njengo-DJ bani so masihamba ngahamba nabo bangiphekelela tot laba yongijikela khona bathi yo sesi a re sa go khapha jwa le ra go raka cause wena shetse o fihlile rena re boela morago ke ba qinne ka yona nako ya bo 7:30 ke maketse tro ba tlo mpishe ba re tla go bona bana ba bane shiba ba re ke ba geno mara re show wena tla go ba bone cause ba nyaka dipampiri tša bona ke fihla ka nnete ke kry-a bana ba le ke bona ngifuna umthetho udlala indima yayo ngoba sifuna ijustice kula bantwana sazi ukuthi babulaleleni angisho sazi ukuthi babulawe njani babulawe ubani bona badunyuziwe siyavuma mara ukuthi babulaleleni asazi babulalelani bayi-2.
At approximately 4 in the morning, neighbors heard what sounded like an argument. Witnesses reported hearing Tshiamo pleading to be left alone, saying that the confrontation would force her to make a mistake. Then came the gunshots. When police arrived at 6:15, they discovered the bodies. One phone had been stolen, while the other remained in its owner's pocket. Tshiamo's mother, Itumeleng, now faces every parent's worst nightmare.
Omunye lo mntwana ke siswami, lo omunye lo wami. Sibakhulise boyi-2, bakhula engathi ama-twin like sibaxokiza ukufana yonke into yabo efanayo. So engizobuhlungu kakhulu. Ngizobuhlungu ngoba nabantu sebakhuluma into bangayazi. Angibazi mhlawumbe banama enemies or what. How can umuntu avela kudubule la egate? Anishiye khona lapha egate. So angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani nami ngisafuna indaba ngifuna iclosure kahle ngizwe kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. Friday ngalethembisa songenza inwele njengoba ngisho ngithi usebenza khona ukwenza inwele nensipho like so bekazokwenza inwele ngalethembisa so ubuye izolo abuya ngapha ePitori khona la bahlala khona manje sizwa sengibizwa mina ekseni ukuthi iwoza uzobona ngapha mara bangitshela ukwenza mangifika uthola ukuthi abantwana bashonile boyi-2 ngoba bakhula boyi-2 vele bona bahlezi beqoka ukufana nalani bona khona nizobabona baqoka into efanayo umntwana kasiswami umunye nomunye owami so ngithola ukuthi ama-pathologists sekafikile base babafake emotweni almost bebase bahamba then ngabacela ukuthi ngifuna ukubabona ababona omunye utuleke inhloko omunye utuleke chestini yakhe so ngishathethe angazi ngithini ngoba like lento le ihleli yenzeka too much ukuthi abantwana bayabulala especially abantwana bamantombazana I don't know abantwana bebaseyikolweni bazofunda lana like siluzile kakhulu angimazi lo muntu ayenze lesigameko but I wish amapholisa angenelela yenza umsebenzi wabo uze Friday ungilungise izolo ekseni ethembisa then wagibela wabuya ngapha ngoba uhlala ngapha then so
a double investigation is underway, while the motive remains unknown. Police are processing the crime scene and they appeal to the community for more information. 2 features cut short, 2 families forever changed, and the search for answers continues.